Hello guys, good afternoon. Well, we are going to do this new lesson in English technique that is going to be the arteries and veins, right? Especially in our body. So, we're going to do the meaning about the arteries and veins. As you can see, you can read, it says, the left side of the heart forces oxygenated blood away from the heart. Something that is very important word in the arteries is that arteries is away, listen to me, away from the heart and into the body throat, right? Into, right? No, it's not outside, it's into the body throat, right? This is the meaning in arteries, the function. But what about the veins? The veins carry the oxygen, right? In this part is forced the oxygen, and in this part is carry the oxygen blew back into the right side of the heart. That it is totally different, right? So something that you can do it very easier, that arteries is away from the heart and veins is right side of the heart. So you can understand about this, right? Also, this kind of arteries and veins is very important in our body and is going to do the function, especially when we do different exercises. Well, continues. What is the difference between both of them? As you can see, we have difference and it's very easy. In this part, arteries is elastic walls and with source of blue, but veins is thin, very and less elastic walls, right? So in this part is thin and in other is walls, elastic walls, very little bit born, right? What about the second? In the second part it says they can feel the pulse in your hand when you're going to do different exercises or do different exercises. We touch in our hand and we can feel the pulse. This is our arteries. But what about the veins? The veins we couldn't. It's impossible to feel the pulse. But in the arteries is the opposite. It's totally opposite than the veins, right? What else? The arteries distribute blood to body organs. Something that is very important is that is going to distribute blood in our body. But veins is collect blood from the body, right? In this part is from the body, is to distribute to the body. Another you can see is that arteries have a small lumen and the veins have large lumen. So in this part you can see that it's small and the other is large. This adjective that is it's totally opposite, right? Well, as I told you, why the cardiovascular fitness is important. Why I put this part? Well, especially I try to explain you this part because arteries and veins, the function when it's going to work better is especially when we do different exercises. You can help the arteries in our heart. You will increase your energy. Also, you are going to have a really good body. You can see a little bit better. So it will be really great. Improve your health, right? With the stress reduction, right? Well, if you want to work better your arteries, it's especially when you do exercises, but in the morning, not at night, because when you do these kind of things at night, you have some problems. Why? Because you wake up, for example, very early and you work all the day, and if you work is very tired, right, for you, sometimes your mind, it's so tired, and the only thing that you thinking in this moment is just to sleep, right? You don't really need to do it in at night, right? You have to do it in the morning. So also something that is very important in our arteries and veins is that you have to drink a lot of water. But it's going to help in your body, especially when you drink in the morning and not in the afternoon or night. At night, well, it's really great when you're going to drink at night, but or all the day in the afternoon. But it will be much better when you wake up. You wake up, you can run, you can walk, whatever exercise you want, you can do it, but especially in the morning, right? And after that, you can drink a lot of water, or you can drink juices like an orange. Also, it's very great for you if you want to reduce. And you can feel really good look in your body when you're going to drink or drink, yes, in a little base of whatever you want. Lemon it's very very good in our health, but you can drink in the morning, right? Well, you can reduce your stress, improve your health, your energy level, and our arteries, it will be really great, right? So as you can see in the imagine, right, it will be better when you work, especially for your heart, right? Well, guys, I introduced these things because something that you have to really understand is, well, in this our quarantine, we didn't do anything, just we passed the class in our house. We didn't do the exercise, just only sit down in our I don't know, in our room or in our house, and just listen, right? Well, the arteries and the veins is something totally opposite. You have to work, you have to do it exercises in your body. So a homework that you're going to do it is to do a video. Yoga, it's very common, it's very really also great. Or you can do whatever exercises you want, and you have to explain me. For example, you can do in the video, hello guys, I'm going to run in our house. I live in this part. I will run for this and with that part. Something that also is very important for me is to listen, and you have to talk to me. It will be really great if you're going to explain me about the exercises that you're going to do it. So as I told you, you're going to do a video that you're going to explain me what kind of exercises you're going to do it. If you want to run, you have to explain me where, in what time, how many or how much drink you're going to drink in, or water or something like that. So whatever you want, right? So it will be really great if you're going to listen to you, and of course you're going to send me in the classroom, right? So after this video, we are going to do different activities, especially in our body, right? Something that I want to see you, I want to do it, this part. It will be really great, especially in your body, your mind. You're going to don't have a lot of stress, right? So it will be really great for you. So thank you so much, guys. So please don't forget to send me the video for the next class in the classroom about what kind of exercise you're going to do it in the morning, right? So whatever exercise you want, you have to send me. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you. See you in the next class.